Let's understand three most important core concepts of Redux using this simple analogy. Imagine a pizza shop as your app, and inside that kitchen will be having all the ingredients like pizza base, sauce, and cheese. And you are a customer and you want to order pizza. So, in this case, directly you will not go to the kitchen and start preparing pizza. Instead, if you want pizza, you place an order at the counter. The chef gets the order, look at what ingredients are available in the kitchen. If you need more toppings on your pizza, like extra cheese or extra vegetables, then you have to make a special request and the chef will update the pizza based on your request. And every customer gets their pizza from the same kitchen, and the chef makes sure ingredients stay organized and ready for the next order. Now, let's flip this analogy to understand three important core concepts of Redux. Here, kitchen represents our Redux store. It has all the ingredients, and ingredients represent our state, like pizza base, sauce, and cheese. So kitchen is a store which will be having all the ingredients, which means kitchen will be storing entire state of our application. Second is the customer. The order placed by the customer is an action in Redux. Customer is not the action, but whatever request is made by the customer, that is called as action in Redux. And third, chef is the reducer which gets order, looks at what ingredients are available in the kitchen and makes the pizza. So what chef will be doing? Chef will go to the kitchen and looks what ingredients are available, and based on the request made by the customer, chef is going to prepare the pizza. In return, it is going to update our state. So you can simply understand, reducer will take the action, reducer will go to the store and see what are the things available inside the state, and based on the action, state will be updated and updated value will be returned. So this way, pizza shop can handle many customers efficiently, making sure everyone gets the right pizza without any confusion or missing ingredients. And how this is possible? This is possible because they are keeping track of what customer has ordered using the receipts. So here we went to a shop and explicitly told the chef about the intention, that is, the action describing pizza base has to be reduced by 1, which means I am ordering one pizza. Let us combine everything and see the concept in this table. So inside a pizza shop, kitchen will be representing store. The aim of a store is to hold state of our entire application. Then the customer intent to place an order is called as action. Basically, it describes the event, describes what happens. Then finally, chef is the reducer which will be connecting store with the action. If the customer is placing the action, only then reducer will be updating our state. So basically, store keeps entire application data, action that explains how the data has to be changed, and reducer that makes the changes to the data based on the action. So these are three most important core concepts of Redux, and once we start writing the code, almost all the time we will be dealing with these concepts.